Going to sleep at 3 a.m. and waking up at 11 a.m. is not cute. It's time to get that sleep schedule back on track. Trust me, your body and mind will thank you for it. Hey, everyone. We've all been guilty of staying up way too late. Either binge watching shows, scrolling through social media, or just letting our minds race. But if you're looking to fix your sleep schedule, I've got some simple tips that will make a world of difference. Plus, I'll share a few bonus tips that are total game changers. Tip 1. Avoid blue light before bed. First off, avoid blue light from screens at least an hour before bed. That means no phone, no laptop, no TV. Blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, making it harder for you to fall asleep. Instead, try switching to activities that promote relaxation. Consider using blue light blocking glasses or enabling a night mode on your devices if you absolutely have to be on a screen. It's not a perfect solution, but it helps. Tip 2. Avoid eating 2 hours before bed. Next, avoid eating at least 2 hours before bed. Late night snacks can be tempting, but they can also mess with your sleep. Opt for a soothing herbal tea instead, something like chamomile or peppermint, which can help you unwind. If you do feel hungry close to bedtime, keep it light and easy to digest, maybe a small piece of fruit or a handful of nuts. Tip 3. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule asterisk. One of the best things you can do is wake up and go to sleep at the same time every day, yes, even on weekends. Your body loves routine, and sticking to a consistent schedule helps regulate your internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. You can even try using a sleep tracking app to monitor your patterns and gently nudge you towards better habits. Tip 4. Avoid caffeine in the afternoon. Avoid caffeine in the afternoon. While that afternoon coffee might seem like a lifesaver, it can stay in your system longer than you think, making it harder to fall asleep later. Try switching to decaf or herbal teas. Remember, even some sodas and teas have caffeine, so be mindful of what you're drinking after lunch. Tip 5. Open your window blinds to wake up with natural light. And lastly, open your window blinds before you go to bed. Letting in natural light in the morning helps your body wake up naturally. Sunlight is a powerful signal to your brain that it's time to start the day, making it easier to get up and feel alert. If you struggle with waking up early, consider investing in a sunrise alarm clock that gradually brightens your room, mimicking the natural light of the sun. Fixing your sleep schedule doesn't have to be a chore. With these simple tips, you'll be on your way to better sleep and more energized days. So put your phone down, set that bedtime routine, and let yourself rest. Remember, consistency is key, and small changes add up over time. Sweet dreams, and see you in the next video.